Hello again, this is Giselle Toner, and here we are in our next video of Eternity Yoga website. And this is about the 8 limbs of yoga, the types of yoga, and a brief history. So yoga is a vast subject, and there is a lot to it. In this page, I am breaking down a lot of the things that might be confusing, but it's going to be a lot more understandable when you go through it. So the first part of it is about the types of yoga. There are 4 different types of yoga: karma, bhakti, yana or jhana, and raja yoga. So these 4 different types of yoga do different things. Basically, some of them are of the path of selfless service, some of them are devotion, some of them are intellect, and some of them and the last one, raja, is the royal path. So I invite you to look up these different types of yoga, do a little bit of searching, and you can really get a lot of information about the 4 different types of yoga. Also, there are 8 limbs of yoga, and this is where these are codified as the quote unquote rules or laws of yoga. And there are 8 different ones. So read through these. I'm going to scroll through very slowly. And I just want you to read through this, pause your video whenever you want to, and then we will come back. Okay, so we'll go back to the top, and hopefully you were able to pause your video whenever you needed to read a little bit more thoroughly. And I will see you in the next video.